back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so first things first, let's go ahead and keep it all the way 100. I'm totally faking it by wearing this sweater. It is hot as heck outside, but I figured since I was filming this fall decor tour that I would go ahead, throw on this sweater and get in the fall spirit, but don't let the sweater fool you. It's still really hot here in Alabama. But anywho, I'm really excited to be doing this video for you guys. So I've been doing these fall decor tours for a few years now, and you guys seem to always enjoy them. So I'm just super duper excited about it. And I'm in a new space this year, so I'm excited to share with you guys how I decided to decorate. As you guys probably remember from my Big Lots and TJMAXX Shop With Me video, I had a lot of that green color that's really on trend right now, and I thought I was gonna be able to make it work, but whenever I started putting that stuff out, it just did not feel like fall to me. So I was just like, you know what, scratch it all. I ended up taking all of that stuff back, and I really wanted to go with golds and creams and just the traditional oranges because that just really feels fall-like for me. I love the green color, but it just wasn't for my personal style. I just like the traditional color. So I'm really excited to share with you guys how I decided to spruce up my place for fall. I don't have a whole lot going on, but I did do the living room, the kitchen, the guest bedroom, and our master bedroom. So I'm gonna be sharing that all with you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the dining room. This is one of the first rooms you see whenever you walk through the front door. So I have made a few changes, but of course it's always a work in progress. There's still things that I wanna do to this space, but I definitely wanted to decorate it for the fall season. Now we don't really use this room. We haven't used it. We do plan on using it for Thanksgiving, but since we don't use it that much, I definitely wanted to make sure that I utilize the table to decorate for the fall season. And I love everything that I have on the table. So mostly everything I picked up from Zgallerie. The sparkly pumpkins are from Zgallerie, the turkeys. The pumpkin in the center is actually from Ross, and the little green pumpkins I picked up from Big Lots. I did decide to actually keep those. The runner I picked up from Zgallerie. So for the place setting, I think the placemat is from the Dollar Tree, the charger is from Zgallerie, and then the napkin and the napkin holder is also from Zgallerie. And I picked all of these things up last year, so I'm not really sure if they're still available. I decided that I wanted to add this fluffy pillow to the chair. I thought it would just be a nice touch. Moving on to the living room, I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So I really wanted to go for golds, creams, champagnes, different colors like that. I felt that it would be really nice and cozy to have more warm tones. So for the couch, I just decided to add a few pillows. Pillows can definitely change the look of any room, and it can definitely help you change up your space whenever you're changing for different seasons. I always get so many questions about the coffee table, so I picked it up from Wayfair a few years ago, and it's really beautiful. For the center of the table, I decided to go for a mirrored tray that I picked up from Home Goods, and I added a few things to it. Nothing too much because I do have a toddler and he kind of likes to mess with stuff, but thankfully he doesn't really mess with this stuff too much. So the little glass goblet things, I picked those up from Ross. And then the pumpkins are from Zgallerie, and the candle holder and the candle are from Bath & Body Works. So I feel like the pillows really just bring out the sofa. The fuzzy ones I got from Zgallerie, but you can actually get them from Overstock for like $50 cheaper. So I will link those below so you guys can get the hookup. But I just love the way that they look together. I love the creams and the golds. I love how it's a gradient effect. So then on this back wall, I have this beautiful picture from Zgallerie. We actually had it in our foyer in the last home. I was thinking about adding my Axis mirror to this wall and moving this, but As of right now, we're just not wanting to move that mirror in the dining room yet because it is so heavy. But I added a few different things to this little console table. Just some pumpkins that I picked up from TJMAXX. We have our Bath & Body Works candles. One candle I picked up from Ross. Just a lot of different fall festive things. And the fall garland I got from Big Lots. And then here I have this floral arrangement on this small mirror table that I picked up from Target. The flowers are from Zgallerie and the vase is from Target. Moving on to the kitchen, don't you guys just love the natural light that comes through? I absolutely love it. Well, I don't have too much going on in the kitchen. I definitely wanted to keep it simple. So I picked up the sunflower and hydrangea arrangements from Big Lots, and then I have my Bath & Body Works candle and candle holder. So the actual flowers, they're two different arrangements as you guys can tell, but I thought that they would be appropriate on the island. Then here at our little kitchen nook, I just added this small arrangement from TJMAXX and these gold placemats that I picked up from Big Lots. And then over on this longer counter, I decided to add a few fall decor pieces. And do you guys remember in my before tour what this looked like before we changed it up? So it was kind of like this china cabinet where you could display all of your dishes, but I wanted to be able to utilize the counter space. So we got some custom cabinets, and I'm not sure if I shared this with you guys, but I really love the way that they turned out. So yeah, I just love being able to utilize this counter space. So yeah, I added a few things. The sign I got from Hobby Lobby, and the pumpkins, the candle holder, and the little gold and kind of brass gold holders are from TJMAXX. And then moving on to our little sitting area in the kitchen. This is mainly where Uriah plays, but we have a sofa over here. I didn't want to do too much because this is his play area, so it's not even much effort, but I just wanted to share the pillows with you guys. I got these from TJMAXX and I thought they were really cute. And then a little thing that I added to the table, it's just random, I don't know. I just threw it there just to make it a little bit more festive. Moving on to the guest bedroom, I wanted to decorate in here because if you're in the living room and you look to the right, if the door is not closed, you can see in here. So I just thought it would be nice to decorate in here and make it look a little bit more festive. So I decided to go all the way traditional. I have a burnt orange quilt that I got from Amazon. The two big pillows are from Zgallerie and the small thankful pillow is from TJMAXX. So over on the vanity, I decided to add this orange orchid plant. It ties in well with the fall theme. And then on the taller dresser, I added a vase that I put these fall inspired balls in. Over here, we have two chairs that I got from Wayfair, and I decided to add pillows to them. This room is still a work in progress, you guys. There's still so much that needs to be done, but I definitely wanted to kind of spruce it up a little bit. So I still have to figure out what I'm going to do with the shelves. I need to add my clear shelf hooks. I haven't gotten around to doing that. I'm not sure if I want to add the picture over the fireplace, so it's just sitting there for now. Then over here we have the dresser, and I just decided to add this fall leaf garland. So moving on to the master bedroom, the only real changes I made were changing the pillows on the bed. So I'm not even really sure if it's considered fall decorating, but I thought that these pillows would be a little bit more appropriate for the fall season since they do have the gold tone. So I picked those up from Zgallerie, and then the big fluffy pillows I got from TJMAXX. The white quilt is from Amazon, and the fluffy comforter thing is from Zgallerie as well. Alright you guys, so that is my fall decor tour for 2018. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below and let me know what other type of fall decor or just fall inspired videos that you guys would like to see. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!